Oops, my system crashed. I lost my data, but I had an antivirus. Antivirus is not enough. You need Togepi, world's only antivirus with data recovery software. Oops, my system crashed. But I had Togepi. Togepi's not enough. You need
some 70% bullshit right now.
Alone, they are incredible. Together, unstoppable. They are...
Oops, my system crashed. But I had
some 70% bullshit. Some 70% bullshit.
It's not enough. You need
Kirby Canvas Curse for Nintendo DS.
You say good morning, I say good.
Oops, my system crashed. But I had
Kirby Canvas Curse for Nintendo DS. Kirby Canvas Curse.
This is not enough. You need
Our fucking copyright strikes.
Oops, my system crashed.
I lost my data, but I had an
Antivirus. Antivirus is not enough. You need Togepi.
world's only antivirus with data recovery software. Oops, my system crashed, but I had
The fucking copyright strikes. Copyright strikes.
This is not enough. You need
Indeedity. Meta-Knight. Waddle Dee. And Kirby.
Oops, my system crashed, but I had
And Kirby. And Kirby.
Oops, my system crashed. I lost my data, but I had an antivirus. Antivirus is not enough. You need Togepi. Think beyond think Togepi. My system crashed. I lost my data, but I had
This has been a Swear Zone presentation.